Alright, just follow
Drop
her.
a tree. Yeah.
Hey yo, smells nice in here.
Hey, what are you doing? You don't think I know what you're doing there? What the fuck? Grab me.
No, hey wait, grab me! Grab me! Hey, thanks.
Smelling my ass.
Did you all your stamina gone from sniffing it, man?
Wait,
Exactly,
It took my breath away, to say the least.
Literally.
I guess set a pet on here.
Oh no, my stamina.
Smells nice around here.
Oh my god, stop! Stop harassing. Oh no! Ooh.
Yuki, you need to climb.
And climbing! What the fuck?
Come on.
Come on!
Pet on, right?
Oh!
There's a pet on.
No! Oh, no! Oh.
Yeah, I checked.
It smells nice around here.
Hey!
What?
Molester!
What?
Molester!
That's a compliment. What are you talking about? Well, what'd you expect? It smells like fish around here. Is that what you want? What is
Yeah, jump for me.
what does it smells like,
Yeah.
man?
Smells like ass.
Yeah, well, this one smells like fish.
Hey!
Oh,